Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a digital twin in HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and open the avatar or digital twin section. Look for the option to create a digital twin and follow the instructions provided by HeyGen. You may need to provide a suitable recording or other required information to create your digital version. Before recording, choose a quiet location with good lighting. Make sure your face is clearly visible and your audio is clean and easy to understand. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully while recording. Speak naturally and clearly, and try to maintain a consistent position throughout the recording. Once you finish, submit the recording for processing. HeyGen will process the information and create your digital twin. When the digital twin is ready, start a new video project and select it from your available avatars. Now enter the script you want your digital twin to speak and choose a suitable AI voice or voice option. You can also customize the background, text, layout, and other elements of the video. Preview the project carefully before generating the final video. Check the appearance, voice, pronunciation, timing, and overall presentation. If you notice anything that needs improvement, make the necessary changes and preview the video again. Once everything looks good, generate the video and wait for HeyGen to finish processing it. After the video is ready, watch the final result and export it using the available options. And that's how you can create and use a digital twin in HeyGen for professional AI video content. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.